and she talking about Christmas. There is nothing sweeter. Everything is about Santa Claus. Why she putting up the curtain? The cake in the oven baking. Christmas again, Christmas again, Christmas again, Christmas again. Bring out the ham and the turkey. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Change your best oil and pay me. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I sit down in the living room. Hearing a sweet talk around tune. Christmas again, Christmas again, Christmas again, Christmas again. Yeah. Baila, Belaka, Churchill, Richard, Mr. Gray. People, this is the season that we don't share with each other. Christ is the reason, giving thanks to the Holy Father, celebrating on his birthday. Oh yeah, oh, it's such a beautiful way. Christmas again, Christmas again, Christmas again, Christmas again. Them children waiting for their toys. Oh yeah, oh. All the little girls and boys. Very early Christmas morning. Hear them people celebrating.
We festive till our morning, so come around we jamming, bubble and smooth knocking, and everybody singing Christmas, Christmas. No, this is Christmas. Merry Christmas. This is Christmas. Merry Christmas. Bring out the ham and turkey, ginger beers and real mommy, hot curry brandy, anything to make me happy. Christmas, Christmas. Parang, you ready for this? You sure? From house to house we going, village and town we passing, children and lights displaying. Oh yes, it's Christmas morning. Christmas, Christmas. This is Christmas. Merry Christmas. This is Christmas. Merry Christmas. No, bring out the Johnny Walker, Hennessy and the vodka. Come with the punch and creamer. Don't forget the cider. Christmas, Christmas. It's Christmas time again. If you love Christmas, it's all about the fun, the ham, the turkey, the cake. You're gonna have fun with the family as well. We festive till our morning, so come around we jamming, bubble and smooth knocking, and everybody singing Christmas, Christmas. No, this is Christmas. Merry Christmas. This is Christmas. Merry Christmas. Bring out the ham and turkey, ginger beers and real mommy, hot curry brandy, anything to make me happy. Christmas, Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to each and every one. Across the Caribbean, it's your time. Yes, it's your time. Christmas, 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 Christmas. Let me sing. It's Christmas, 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 Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
What you doing? Never, never. Let we start the drinking. Okay. It's the holidays in the West Indies, rising up to the island breeze, spending time with the families, presents under the Christmas tree. In the kitchen is cocoa tea, fresh bread and a black Anka cheese, ham bacon and fried saltfish, some of that and some of this. Punch a cremo SPOP, rivers, tequilas or Campari. You could have anything you see. My neighbor come take a drink with me. Curry goat and coconut rice, pull a pack up and pull a ice. You could have anything you see. My neighbor come take a drink with me. One. We drinking. Look, we are this, we are that. That with them and those and them and these. What? We have rum, brandy, scotch and tequila, whatever you want and whatever you feel for. We have rum, brandy, scotch and tequila, whatever you want and whatever you feel for. Neighbor, neighbor, let me start the drinking. Aye. Barbados, SPG, Jamaica, Guyana, and Trini. All of us here is family. All you come take a drink with me. Take it Haiti and St. Lucia, Bahamas, Montserrat, Antigua, every island across the sea. All you come take a drink with me. We have chip, black cake, pudding, and fruit cake. You could have some, or take a drink break. Cooler ice, more water than a damn lake. Rum, brandy, scotch and tequila, whatever you want, whatever.
I want the gift now. Woman, so long you're telling me that you have this thing for me. Look, the season come again, and you still have me waiting. Give me the gift, girl. I want the gift, girl. Give me the gift, girl. I want the gift, girl. It gon' lift me up. It gon' make me tough. I don't want no riff. Girl, give me the gift. Unwrap it and give it to me. Unwrap it and make me happy. Unwrap it, come on, oh baby. Unwrap it, give me the gift, girl. I want the gift. Give me the gift, girl. I want the gift. I want to feel it. I want to hold it. I want to see it. I want to touch it. You could open it. I want to squeeze it. Girl, give it to me and make me happy. Give me the gift, girl. I want the gift, girl. This is a time for sharing. Everybody getting something. Why you making me beg? And you lie down on the bed. Give me the gift, girl. I want the gift, girl. Give me the gift, girl. I want the gift, girl. It gon' lift me up. It gon' make me tough. I don't want no riff. Girl, give me the gift. Unwrap it and give it to me. Unwrap it and make me happy. Unwrap it, come on, oh baby. Unwrap it.
Santa invite me to his homes to drink and eat. Hey, to my surprise, wifey said he fall asleep, but she tell me come and chop the meat. I'm hungry and I'm feeling weak. I take my knife and cut it deep. Now my mouth so full that I couldn't she help me. She said take it all. She said eat it all. Yum it all. I chopping meat tonight. We gon' drink a lime. I want Christmas ham, turkey, with a sweet parang. It's lashed inside the bra. I thought Santa asleep.
Oh, you watching me?
I see him when he peep.
You watching me?
He said, ho, ho, ho.
Oh, you watching me?
Could you eat some more?
You watching me?
My mouth full of grease.
Oh, you watching me?
She don't want me leave.
You watching me?
Santa sitting with me, eating with me, next to the Christmas tree. Cause it's Christmas time. I said roast beef, roast pork, any dish, salt fish. She tell me, she said take it all. She said eat it all. Yum it all. I chopping meat tonight. Cause it's Christmas time. I want Christmas ham, turkey, with a sweet parang. It's lashed inside the bra. Merry Christmas, everybody in the Caribbean, America, Asia, Europe. Santa, do not fall asleep again, my friend. Open the way. Christmas, baby. Here we go.
I'm tired of the same thing for Christmas. It's either a watch or shirt, shoes or a tie. You forget my taste bud, my delicious appetite. I like to drink, I like to eat. From the time I wake in the morning till I go to bed, rum in me head. So for this Christmas, I want you to make it grand, make it special. Put two things in me hand. We love it. Bushwoman wild cook, what I want this Christmas is. Bushwoman wild cook, all I want this Christmas is. Bushwoman wild cook, more.